Welcome to STERA 3D. Let me explain how to save the data of STERA 3D. In the middle of making building model, you can save the file by clicking the Save icon. By opening the file you saved, you can restart making the model. Let's open the file of the 3-story building we made before. Now I will explain how to save the results of analysis. Please click the rectangular button to change the frame proportion to be actual 1, and click the red exclamation to analyze the building. Now a response setting window appears. If you want to save the results of nonlinear pushover analysis, first you select the condition of static load, and make sure the static radio button is marked at the bottom of the window. If you click the Start button, you can see the deformation of the building on the screen. You cannot save the image on the screen. Please use the screen capture software to save the image. I will show you how to save numerical data of analysis results. To save the analysis results, please click the icon with red arrow at the top of the window. Then, a window will appear asking the place of folder to save the output data files. After you select the folder, please click OK button. Then, another window will appear, with the message "Are you ready to start calculation?" So please input yes and press Enter key. Then, the analysis will start. After you have the message "Calculation is completed," please press any key to close the window. Let's see the output files in a folder. There are many files created in the folder. The file names starting with data are the files with input properties of members. Let's open data beam for example. You can see the location of beams in each floor plan, and beam numbers. Next part of the file is the detail information of each beam properties, such as size of the section, amount of reinforcing bars, the moment capacity and the shear capacity of the element. Let's open data column next. You can see the location of columns in each floor plan, and column numbers. Next part of the file is the detail information of each column properties, such as size of the section, amount of reinforcing bars, the moment capacity and the shear capacity of the element. The file names starting with max are the files with maximum response data of members. Let's open max beam for example. You can see the maximum rotation, the moment force, and the ductility factor at the ends of the beam. In the file of response eigen, there are natural periods and stimulus functions up to 6th mode. Max structure and response structure are the files of story responses such as story drift, story shear force, displacement, velocity, acceleration, etc. Since the file size is too big, it is better to use Excel to open the file and draw the graph. As for the earthquake response analysis, the procedure is the same. First, you select Input Ground Acceleration Files. If you click the Start button, you can see the response on the screen. To save the results of analysis, you click the icon with red arrow again, and select the folder to save the output files. If the folder is the same as before, just click OK button. Then the new window will appear. You input Y and press Enter key. Now the nonlinear earthquake response analysis will start. Please click any key to close the window. Then, I will show you how to save animation of earthquake response of the building. Please click the black projector icon at the top of the window. Then a window will appear asking the name of the movie file and the place to save it. After you press the Save button, earthquake response analysis will start automatically. You can take a break until the response analysis is completed. If you press the Stop button, you can save the movie up to the point. To open the movie file, please click the File button, in the bottom of Response Setting window, where it is written as Movie. Then, select the movie file you have saved. When you click the Start button, you can see the movement of building quickly. This movie file is convenient if you want to show the results to other people.